The next question is how to find the sum of first n natural numbers. So we can check this out. Here I have already written the code, and this method is using recursion. There are two more methods which we can solve this, but those are quite easy. One is from directly using the formula, and one more method is over there. So I'll not explain them, just I will explain the recursion because this one is a hard topic. So I'll explain block by block. First we will consider this block, this one. Here the main method is entry point of a program. It is entry point in every program, so that is basic. Then a variable n we have taken as an input, that is int n equal to 10. Then int sum equal to get sum n. Here get sum method is called with n as an argument, and which calculates the sum of first n natural numbers. So this n is just given as an argument over here. Then we will print system.out sum, that is this. So result will be printed in the sum, and this block is the most important block, that is recursion. Here all the recursive methods are used, like I'll explain it. First we have initialized n equal to 0 as mentioned above. Then I'll explain you how it actually works. So here if n equals to 0, then returns n. So this is the condition, and if the condition n is 0, the base case is triggered and the function stops over here itself. And if it is not equal to 0, it will return n plus get sum n minus 1. So this is the most important recursive case that will actually go till the loop ends. So the process continues until n becomes 0, at which point the base case is triggered and the recursive call begins to return the results. So I'll explain you how the recursion actually works. So first get sum. For example, we have considered n as 10, so it returns n, that is 10 plus get sum n minus 1, that will be n minus 1 becomes 10 minus 1, that is 9. So this actually performs in loop. So now this 9 will actually be here, so it again becomes get sum 9 returns 9 plus n minus 1, that becomes 8. So similarly this loop performs until the get sum value becomes 0 and it returns 0, that is a base case. So this is how it performs. After that, after the recursive call is return, they accumulate the sum. So it will become get sum 1 returns 1, then get sum 2 returns 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So similarly it goes like till get sum 10. Sorry, I've written it wrong. get some 10, returns 10 plus, this actually becomes till 45, I think, because 1 2 3 dot dot dot, this becomes 45 as we keep on adding, and total becomes 55. So 55 will be the out. So quite an easy sum. Do check the video again if you don't understand it, because this is using recursion, and recursion concept must be clear before this video. So this is all. Thanks for watching.